Welcome to Question Bank. Today's question is, what is the resonant frequency of the circuit given? Here this one is the circuit and this is asking for the resonant frequency. This is a very easy question and only we have to remember the formula. What is the resonant frequency? Here RC and RL are in parallel, and for this type of circuit resonant frequency omega naught, suppose 1 by LC, root over of 1 by LC into RC square, RL square, this one is RL square minus L by C whole by RC square minus L by C root over. This one is the formula, and we have to calculate the resonant frequency here. So if we calculate, so what are the values? L is 100 milli, C is 25 nano, and RC is 5K, this one is 4K. So here we have to calculate, so we will put the values 1 by 100 milli into 25 nano root over and L square means 4K square minus L by C. L is 100 milli by 25 nano by this one is 5K square minus 100 milli by 25 nano, and if we calculate this one, this will be 1 by 25 into 10 to the power minus 12 root over, and here this will be 16 into 10 to the power 6 minus 4 into 10 to the power 6. Similarly here 25 into 10 to the power 6 minus 4 into 10 to the power 6, here root over, and here it will be 1 by 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 whole into, this one will be 16 minus 4, this one will be 12, and this one will be 25 minus 4, this one will be 21. So and 10 to the power 6 in both numerator and denominator will be cancelled out. So this one will be root over of 12 by 21, and this one is coming to be finally 15118.6. So what is this one? This one is the angular frequency, that is 2 pi f. 2 pi f is this one, 15118.6. Generally people what do, when they get this one they will choose the answer, because here in the option also given 15.1 kilohertz, so they will choose the answer to be this one, but this is not correct. We have to find out the frequency. Frequency is 15118.6 by 2 pi, and this will be around 2406.2. so this one is the in hertz, that is frequency, resonant frequency 2400.2, 2400. So this will be nearly equal to 2.406 kilohertz. So answer will be option A, that is 2.4 kilohertz. So this is the answer. So why this question is important? Because in any of the exam in a year you can find this question or another circuit is, that is tank circuit. tank circuit. Tank circuit, what is tank circuit? Tank circuit is like this: RL and C are parallel, this circuit, and the question will be asked for the resonant frequency or some related things. And in case of this question, what will be the resonant frequency? Resonant frequency, suppose omega 0 square will be 1 by LC minus L R by L square. This one is the resonant frequency for tank circuit. And for tank circuit there is also the dynamic impedance. This one is called dynamic impedance, and this is given by L by RC at resonant frequency, at F0, that is at resonant frequency only this impedance value. And in case of the previous this question there is also a condition: if RL is equal to RC, suppose RL will be equal to RC will be equal to R, then what will happen? Then the formula, look at the formula, this term and this term will be cancelled out and it will be 1. So omega 0 will be equal to 1 by root over of LC. So these are the informations for today, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.